Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed video on Twitter. So first of all we will go into the Twitter mobile application and let me search a video for you. And here, so I have to copy the link, you have to click on share, and after that you have to copy the link, okay? And you have to close the Twitter and you have to go to your browser, and here you have to paste that link, okay? So we will paste this link, and after that we have to click on search and it will take to this Twitter. And on the top right side corner there is three dots, so basically we have to click on that and we have to select the desktop site, okay? So I will just check this, and here you can see that Twitter has opened in desktop site, and we will wait for some time to load. And here we have to select each and everything, okay? So just let me show you. You have to click on the right side, and after this you have to just click on the three dots. If you look carefully you can see the three dots here, which is on top right side corner, okay? And we have to click on that, and after that below we will see an option to embed tweet. So it is the last third, you can just see carefully, and we have to click on the embed tweet. And after clicking on that it will redirect to a new link, and we have to copy the code here. So basically here it will show an interface that you have copied the code, and we have to close that and we have to go to the Twitter. So we will go back to the Twitter mobile application, and you have to click on the plus icon which is on bottom right side corner, and after that you have to click on tweet and you have to paste whatever you have copied, okay? And here you have to erase something. For example, let me show you. And we have to select this and we have to erase everything till, let me just show you, till this October, okay? And we have to just erase it, and after that, and now you have to just erase till here, okay? Just do it very carefully, okay? Now we have to erase from here till, for example, let me show you, just till the peak, okay? Now we will just erase everything off. So just follow me carefully how to do it, okay? And in this way you will do it very easily. And we have to just go here and we have to erase everything. So basically this is what we have to do, and after that we have to type the caption here. So for example, just let me type the caption here, which is hi everybody, and after that we have to tweet it. Okay, so now my tweet has been sent, and let me just check this out, and here you can see that how I did this, okay? So I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.